And why it's really important that you cut it, because some pieces are thicker than others, and if you just, like this one is pretty thin, but this one in the middle it gets pretty big. So if you cut this one and you say, oh well, this one's done, this one has to be done. No, that's just wrong. And if you eat that, you might, get really sick and have to miss a perfect day at school, right? All right. That's what those look like. Let me get a little bit of lemon juice on this. Look at this. Smell this. Does it smell good? This will be done in about 3 minutes. If we want to start serving, we can. And I'm not going to use this because this is what I cut the raw chicken with, so I'm going to put that in the sink and use this to cut our chicken. And don't worry, I did wash my hands. Alright, now that that's that, if you want some stuff, here, take a nice juicy piece. And here, just take a few french fries.